Hey everyone, I work full-time in tech and I make games in my free time, so I spend a lot of time here in my office. I've recently moved house and I have a completely blank canvas to start afresh from. So I wanted to document the process of going from nothing to creating a space where hopefully I can tackle every creative discipline of creating games. At least that's the goal. I thought I'd throw it together into a short video. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, thank you for watching up to this point. I hope this video was some way insightful. I know the setup isn't perfect, there's still a few things I want to improve and add to, but if I don't draw the line in the sand somewhere, I'm going to be working on this forever. So I thought I'd just stop here, make the video, and just get back to work on making games for a while. For now, I have absolutely everything I need. It's just a few things like decorations and figuring out where to put a few things. Hopefully this video was somewhat entertaining. If it was, please consider subscribing if you're new here, and also I'd greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on the video if you did enjoy it. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks everyone, and bye for now.